Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Fascinating Jodi. We hope you all are doing great. This is our third episode of Georgia series, and today we are traveling to Kazbegi from Tbilisi. And on the way, we will be going to explore some of the famous attractions. So, watch this video till the end to explore the places with us. And those who haven't seen our previous episodes, it's in our channel, you can go and check that also. And please do subscribe to our channel to get notified whenever we upload a new video. The journey from Tbilisi to Kazbegi is really beautiful. On the way, you can see small towns and villages nestled in a green valleys, and as we go higher, the scenery becomes more stunning with a lush forest and mountains. So now our first destination is arrived, that is Jinwali Water Reservoir, which looks beautiful with the turquoise color water. In this place you can also find a plenty of shops and eateries. There are photographic frames where you can click a beautiful pictures. Jinwali Dam is a wall built across the Aragvi River which holds back water to create a huge lake, and this dam is used to supply water and electricity to the Tbilisi city. This place is surrounded by the huge mountains, making it a very picturesque place. After spending some time in the Jinwali Dam, now we are moving towards our next destination, that is Ananuri Fortress, which is around 10 minutes drive from Jinwali Dam. And this castle is located on the Aragvi River. It's one of the best protected historical monument in Georgia. There is a long story how this fortress got a name Ananuri. The story traces back to the history when the enemy army forced the Georgians to close themselves in the castle without the sources of food. But after several days, enemies found that there is a secret tunnel inside the fortress which is connected to the outside world. They were searching for the traces of the tunnel for a long time, and then they caught a woman named Anna who was from Nuri, and they asked her about the location of the tunnel, but she refused to reveal the secret. So the enemies tortured her and killed her. Therefore, in respect to this woman, the fortress is named as Ananuri. So this is a secret tunnel which led to the water and thus provided a way to get food and water to the people who had taken refuge in the castle. We can go inside the tower using this narrow path, but the way looks very risky and adventurous as well, so make sure to wear a comfortable outfit when you visit this place. Using these narrow steps, you can reach to the top floor of the tower where you will be seeing the breathtaking views that stretch across the reservoir. This path might be challenging for those with the mobility issues due to the uneven terrain and narrow passages. This place was at the juncture of all important roads of Georgia. Because of this, all the enemies tried to get hold of the complex. Enemies came from both outside and inside of the country. Even though it's been through a lot of hardship, Ananuri still stands strong today. There are three churches in the complex, out of which two are visible at a glance, and the third one is actually located underground. We really spent some good time here. Now let's resume the journey and go to the next location. And here we are to see the black and white Aragvi River. The speciality of this river is that they do not mix up. From Pasanuri, these two rivers continue to flow as a single one, which is known as Aragvi. There are many explanations why these rivers are not getting mixed. There is a story of two sisters, but this is due to the differences in temperature, speed, and water density of the two rivers. Now we are moving towards our next spot, but the journey is getting more beautiful with this view. As we are nearing to Kasbegi, the temperature is getting low and you definitely need a winter wear even though it's a summer. We stopped in between to have a good meal. We found a Haveli Indian restaurant, so let's go inside and have a good Indian lunch. Here we had a veg biryani, rotis, paneer kadai and beverages, and the taste was really good. So after having a good lunch, now we are going to the most beautiful spot of our Georgia series, that is Gadori Panorama. And here we are in the most beautiful place of Georgia, which is Gadori Panorama, and it's known for the stunning views of Caucasus Mountains. It's located along the Georgian military highway, which connects the capital Tbilisi with the Russian border. It's a place that makes you feel small in the presence of such natural beauty, and many visitors are struck by the inspiring landscape. It's a popular stop for the tourists as well as photographers who wants to capture the essence of Georgia's natural beauty. The government of Soviet Union built this monument in order to celebrate the friendship between Georgia and Russia. It was built in 1983. It's a circular balcony hanging off a 600 meters cliff with amazing views of Caucasus Mountains. This panorama is decorated with the Soviet-style mosaics depicting Georgians and Russian heroes, their farmers, fairy tales, and communist symbols. The monument is very vivid and colorful. However, most of its beauty is thanks to the location. When you stand at the Gadori panorama, you can see the majestic snow-capped peaks and their lush green valleys stretching out before you. Gadori is an incredibly beautiful spot with wide open fields and towering mountains all around. It's like stepping into a peaceful painting of nature, perfect for anyone who loves the breathtaking views and serene landscape. Gadori has become a popular spot for its adventurous activities. This is the right place to take flight with a professional pilot and fly high and experience the breathtaking views. During winter season, you can also experience the ski activities, which is relatively affordable prices compared to the Western European destinations. We really loved exploring this place. Now we are going towards Kazbegi and we wanted to have a relaxing journey. So today we will be staying in Kazbegi to explore more. Our today's itinerary got completed, but stay tuned to know where we are staying in Kazbegi and how's the accommodation. Finally, we reached our accommodation. This stay was booked by the Tag in Georgia team and it's located in Stepetsminda. It's a 4-star hotel with bar and restaurant. Now let's see how's the room. The room is very cute and clean. There is a comfortable bed and the couch on the corner. And all the amenities are provided here. And the view from the balcony is outstanding. Even the bathroom is very clean and all the toiletries are provided. The location of the hotel is fantastic. You will see these mountains around the hotel. And now the snow-capped mountains are covered by the clouds, but still this place looks really beautiful. You can enjoy this amazing view just by sitting in the balcony. Now we are going to explore the nearby places just by walking, and we'll end up this video and we'll see you in the next episode where we will be exploring the Kazbegi. So stay tuned, we will come up with the next episode of Georgia series. Until then, see you, take care, bye bye.